So hey everyone, I am back with my new video, and in this video I am going to tell you about how you can able to speak English very well and with a great pronunciation and fluency. So watch this video till the end. So you will get to know that speaking English is not a big deal. You can, even anyone can speak English very well. And I am not going to tell you about like other people's. They are saying that try to speak in front of the mirrors or watch English movies. Not like that. I just tell you the short tip about what you can do in your life, in your day-to-day activities, like that, to learn that English, to consume that English, and how you can able to speak fluently and with a great pronunciation. Okay, so watch this video till the end and don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, so get started. Tip number 1: consume English as much as you can, either in the form of audio, video, or either in the form of reading. Okay, anything, just consume it as much as you can till it is settled down in your subconscious mind and automatically comes out of your mouth, and you no need to think about in English, and after that you just saying, because there is a time lag between thinking any sentence, Hindi sentences in English, and then after that speaking it. Okay, so just consume as much as English as you can in your whole day, either in the form of reading books, reading English books, English newspaper, English news channel, listen English audio, podcast, okay, or watching English videos and all. Second tip: without practicing, you can't able to speak that language. Even any language, you can't speak without practice. So practice is important. So it is not necessary to stand in front of a mirror and then you will speak. Even try to speak if you are alone also. Whenever you are walking or jogging, you can try to speak like that. Whatever you are doing, or whenever you are going to park, then you can make a vlog also, because you have already a camera, and try to face that camera, because it's not very difficult at all. Okay, so just on your camera and try to speak in English whatever you are doing in your whole day. Try to speak that what you will do in your whole day, what you are doing right now, and everything. Just speak in that particular language, whichever you want to learn. That's it. And told you that just consume that language as much as you can. Okay, that's it, and it automatically comes out of your mouth, and it's no need to think like इस word को क्या बोलते हैं English में, उस word को क्या बोलते हैं English में, like that. It automatically comes. Okay, and you can practice anywhere with yourself also. You don't have to give an excuse that you don't have anyone to understand that language. Okay, that so that you can able to communicate with them in that. Speak to yourself also. Try to communicate with yourself whenever you are alone, and there is no one to even dictate you. And such batao na, that in foreign countries nobody is going to dictate you whether you are speaking English right or not. They just want to understand that what you are saying, that's it, and nothing else. Okay, so just try to speak that. ये केवल इंडिया में चलता है, that you are speaking English not good. They will definitely dictate you that okay, you are doing a mistake. They will always criticize you that okay, you are doing mistake here, there, and all. They want looking for the meaning of your sentences. Okay, so it's okay. Mistakes are part of our life, and you can easily do that. Tip number 3: that how you can able to improve your fluency and pronunciation. So I want to tell you my condition. 2 to 3 years before, I don't have this kind of fluency and pronunciation. So I would recommend a book, a best book in this world for great pronunciation and fluency and improving vocabulary also, and that an English tutor will give you. So that the name of that book is Word Power Made Easy by Norman Lavis. That book is amazing, guys, just amazing for improving your pronunciation and for your vocabulary. That book is amazing. You can buy it. It's a cheap, very cheap book, and not very costly. You will get this book 150 to 200 bucks. Okay, so buy this book, try to read it, and you can, as I think you able to finish that book within a month, and you will definitely see that in 1 month you able to notice about your words, that your pronunciations of words is quite good in comparison to before. Okay, and I want to tell you the truth that I haven't finished that book more than even 25%. Really, I never finished that book more than 25%, but still, just by completing that 25% now, my pronunciation is just this level that you can able to understand me. You can watch that how I am able to speak with a great pronunciation. Okay, tip number 4. Currently I am already learning and learning English, or I've already done a coaching of grammar, English grammar, because as 1 year ago I was preparing for competitive exams, so already I have done coaching for English grammar and reasoning all. So that English grammar coaching helps me a lot also. Okay, so I don't make much mistakes in English and able to speak it. So if you want, you can take English coaching also for English grammar. Just you no need to take that English speaking course. That won't help you anymore, please. I just say for English grammar. You can study from YouTube also. A lot of free contents are there also. Okay, so make sure that you watch from there also. Tip number 5. Fluency will come just by speaking, guys. If you can't speak, if you want to speak, then you won't get fluency. Fluency only you will get when you speak a lot of times with yourself, with your colleagues, and whenever you get a tutor, whenever if you are in school, or if someone else is somewhere else. Okay, and you think that in front of you, if any person is in front of you is well educated or are well educated, then you try to speak English in front of them, and I am sure they won't criticize you for your mistakes, and even they appreciate you. So they will definitely appreciate you a lot that you are speaking in a good language, and even they also trying to speak that language. And I want to tell you the truth that even BTech and MTech students are unable to speak this language fluently, because there is no environment they get in their whole college and universities, so that they able to speak that language, and even they can practice. And English or any language will come just by practice, and if you want practice, it won't come out of your mouth, be sure. So I am wind up this video, and whatever tips I have tell you in this video, make notes in a copy. Whatever I have tell you, just try to practice from day 1 to day 30, and you have to do regularly. If you miss 1 day, 2 days in between, then you won't get anywhere. Okay, so do it regularly, because today also I am always make my time for reading for even at least 15 to 20 minutes also. मैं टाइम निकाल लेता हूँ पढ़ने एंड ऑल इंग्लिश स्टफ्स के लिए. दैट्स वाई आई एम एबल टू स्पीक दैट लैंग्वेज, दिस लैंग्वेज. ओके, सो ऑलवेज मेक निकालो टाइम इन सब चीज़ों के लिए, एंड ट्राई टू ग्रो योर सेल्फ. प्रैक्टिस इज़ एवरीथिंग गाइस, प्रैक्टिस प्रैक्टिस एंड प्रैक्टिस। जितना प्रैक्टिस करोगे दैट मच यू विल लर्न एंड एबल टू स्पीक दिस। मिलते हैं तब तक अपने नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर इफ़ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो।